Alright, tonight we're doing smash burgers on the camp chef. On the left you see my burgers. That's 1 pound of ground chuck. I do have the onions sweating down on the other side, along with some double smoked bacon. I do have the left side of the griddle turned up a little hotter than the right side. I'm going to go ahead and let a little pool of grease form there, and then we'll go ahead and smash the burgers. Right now I just have a little bit of grapeseed oil down. 'Or just a few minutes later, I just laid down the bacon. Move the onions around a bit. We're ready to smash these guys. Kind of hard to do with one hand, but how I'll do it. Let's use this other spatula. All you have to do is give this spatula a little quarter twist and slide it off. Sometimes if you don't give it that quarter twist, it'll stick. The burger will stick to the spatula. A quarter twist or whatever and slide it off. I'm going to go ahead and salt and pepper them. Probably flip the bacon, stir the onions. Here we are a few minutes later. You can see I moved my onions over to the left. What I'll do is I'll use that side there now to grill my buns. I did turn down the center burner down to low also now. Relocated my bacon to the front. I think I'm ready to flip them burgers. Nice sear. And left-handed, holding the camera with the right. There we go. I'm also going to turn that side down a little bit now. Go in the house and get the cheese. I like to use 2 pieces of cheese. I got pepper jack and smoked cheddar. Go ahead and get those guys covered. And then we're going to go ahead and put the buns on. Onions have cooked down nice. Bacon's perfect. Alright, the buns have been down for a few minutes. Burgers have been covered. Ooh, looking nice. Let's go ahead and take a look at our buns. Also looking nice. Perfect, I'd say. Go ahead and shut everything off. Okay, let's go ahead and plate up our burgers. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more about Camp Chef, just go ahead and click on the link in the description. It'll take you right to campchef.com. And as always, thanks for watching.